Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove an object from the video with the CapCut. So here I already have the video on my project, and let's try to remove some of peppers on the walls here. So the thing that you have to do first, you just need to go click the clip, and after that we need to duplicate this clip by explore the features down here. Slide the features into the left side until you found a duplicate tools. Whenever you found it, you just need to go click it. And for the duplicate clip, we need to make it as an overlay. Just slide the features into the right side until you find the overlay, and then just click it. And now we need to drag the overlay clip so that the duration will be the same with the original one. And after that, go click the clip again, the overlay clip, and we need to find a mask tool on here. And after you find it, you just need to go click it. Since I have a square object, so let's do a rectangle. And now we need to isolate the pepper or the color of the wall so that we can like camouflage them and lock them. Make sure you do it like perfectly. And after you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button, and now we need to pinch the clip with two of our finger so that we can like cut a bigger size of it. And now we just need to adjust in it so that they can cover the pepper on the wall. And here is the result. So that's the way, guys, how to remove the object on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.